How to install the Google Chrome browser on your TV, you will find out in today's video. I have the new Sharp TV here, a Google TV, and we want to install the Google Chrome browser on it. If we go to the App Store here and search for the Google Chrome browser, you will see that it is not found here. Unfortunately, I can't install the Google Chrome browser here, but I can't install the Google Chrome browser here. We'll show you how it works anyway, because it works very easily with a little trick. To do this, you first have to go to the settings, to the gear symbol, all settings, and here to system down. Then OK and then to info, scroll down here to this point here. Then we have to click on this point 7 times until it says you are a developer. You are a developer now. Now we can go back to our home page and here we have to download the downloader. Downloader, very, very simple. By the way, this is an app that should not be missing on any TV. You can install pretty much everything with it, as the name already says. Downloader, and this is searched. Here it is. I'm downloading it now. It is also free, by the way. Install. It takes a few minutes. Then I downloaded the downloader and only have to enter the code or the address. Installation is in progress. Next, we will start it and enter the code. Of course, you can always find it in the video description. Open. And that's what it looks like. Now we just have to click on top to add a clock. So. Now we click in there and enter the following code. Here you enter the following code. This is very simple. As I said, you can also find it in the video description. Because with this code the download starts automatically to install the Google Chrome browser. 9286630, and as soon as you have done that, the whole thing is downloaded on this arrow here. It only takes a few seconds. Then the download starts. Of course, we have to agree here so that the whole thing works. It should start again in 5 seconds. Then it starts. I should have agreed before. And we already have the next page here. And here we can download the whole thing now. You can already see your download is restarting. And the whole thing is already downloaded. It's 275 megabytes large. It only takes a few minutes. We have downloaded the file right away. And when it is downloaded, we click on install. You see, the whole thing is then automatically installed. The app is being prepared. Settings are blocked. Of course, we have to allow the whole thing here. Unknown apps. Downloader. Yes. Install. Yes. And now the app is being installed. But that's not it yet. It's not that easy yet. But we did it right away. Because we also have to add these to the start screen. That doesn't work if we just do it that way. So we click Finish. And start the downloader again. And enter another code this time. And I put this code back. Or delete this one. And now enter the following code next. And you can also find this one, as always, in the video description. And this code is 5199644 in this case. So 5199644. And here again to this box. And then the download starts here too. A few seconds and then the download starts. And here we have to agree to the whole thing again, so that the whole thing works. And again 5 seconds until we get to the download. And here too, the file is automatically downloaded. And you see, install. Let's click on it again. Don't be surprised, because it says Chrome again here. We have to install it here too. Click. And now the whole thing is installed. And we click Finish. So, with the second software we have done nothing other than adding the symbol to the start screen. And it looks like this. We have installed the Google Chrome browser here. We still click OK. Here we can sign up with our account. We say yes, I sign up with this account. And then you can get started here. If you have questions about this tutorial, use the comment function. We say goodbye.